Hey guys, it's Samantha here with Social Selling, and I wanted to make y'all a quick video because I've had a lot of questions about my girls' night in graphics, and so I just thought I'd make a quick video to kind of answer some questions and show you kind of how to use these to your benefit. So first of all, when you go to the website, you can see all of the different themes here. If you haven't downloaded Beat the Cold, this one is free. So I have it free for you. So you have one that you can try out, see if you like it, see if it works for you. So that's a great place to start. I also have 90s, Friends, Chocolate Lovers, Virtual Vacation, Glow Up, and Foodie. And then I have a set of four for just 21 bucks. So it's basically buy three, get one free. So once you click this and add it to your cart and purchase it, you are going to get an email to download all of your graphics. Now, with your graphics, you are also going to get this script example, okay? So this is for the Beat the Cold, but y'all, these graphics are the same each and every week. The format is the exact same. The idea is that you can take these graphics and in 15 minutes, you can put wording with them and schedule them into Facebook and have a party set and ready to go. So here's what your graphics are going to look like. You are going to, in each graphics pack, have four pre-party posts. So it introduces your theme. It says, join me to win prizes. You can do this a few days in advance, tonight, and then 1 hour. And then your actual graphics, the first one is always going to be comment on all posts. That's to drive some interaction. And I give you some suggestions in the script of things you can give away. You can give away a Happy Meal, or you can give away a discount on an order. You can do it at mystery hostess party, however you want to do it. But the idea is that this is going to really drive engagement because people have to comment on every post. And I did a party last Sunday. I did the glow up in my customer group, and people were still commenting last night. So my last post says, if you missed it, go back and hop on and comment, and people were still commenting. So it's really going to drive that interaction throughout the week for you. Then you're going to have 6 kind of engagement graphics. So these are going to ask questions or play a fun game, things like that. Then you're going to have a prize graphic. You can use this or you don't have to. I'm using it as a booking game. So when someone comments, I'm going to message them and say, hey, would you like to choose a theme and do your own girls' night in? You're going to get rewarded with free and discounted products, and you also win this for doing it. You're then going to have a time to shop with where you can post your shopping link. And then you're going to have 3 to 6 blank graphics that you can use and customize however you want. So I'll give you a little, maybe I'll give you a little example. Don't look at my messy desktop, but I did create a few of these on my own. So here are some that I made with my glow up script. So it's really simple. It takes literally like 2 seconds just to add in these pictures. And then I had, I would do 2 interactive posts, 1 product post, 2 interactive posts, 1 product post. Okay, so back to this little script. So it kind of goes through like, here's how to do your pre-party post. And then kind of gives you some notes. So, you're not going to have to put a ton of wording to this. So like girls' night in post number 1, tonight's prize is. Number 2, which one describes you? Number 3, I prefer. Which do you like best? So it's not going to take you a ton of time to develop the writing. The writing is going to go along with the graphics. The graphics ask the question. So you're really just numbering the post and kind of sharing a little bit about you or what you would like. This one I didn't even put any wording with. Okay, so it's pretty simple and easy. You're going to use the script just kind of as an example to make your own wording with the graphics that I give you. So each theme is going to come with this template, so you kind of have a template to mirror what you're making off of. It's going to come with all of your graphics. So every script has kind of the same idea with all the same, 4 pre-party posts, comment to win, 6 question posts, a game, a shopping link, and then your blank post. So it's really kind of a plug and play. Super easy, 15 minutes. You can set up an entire party And two different ways to use this. You can offer these to your hostesses as a theme and do like a 30-minute live party, or you can do them in your customer group. That's how I'm using them. I'm putting them in my customer group, and we're doing a girls' night in every Sunday at 8:30 p.m. So hope you guys love these. They're super fun. They're super affordable at just $7 each, or you can do a buy three, get four free, 21 bucks. Think about just like one order is probably going to pay for this. And you have 4 scripts, and you don't have to just use them one time. I mean, you can reuse them with different hostesses and things like that. Hope this video helps you, and I hope you love these scripts. Talk to you soon.